How to add a new camera in Reolink app. Want to connect a new camera to your Reolink app and keep an eye on everything? Here's exactly how to do it. Start by opening the Reolink app and logging into your account. On the home screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. You will see options to add a device, either by scanning the QR code located on your camera or entering its UID manually. After scanning or typing it in, follow the on-screen steps to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network if required. You will also be asked to give your camera a name so you can easily recognize it later. Once the setup completes, your new camera will appear on the app's home screen, ready for live viewing and settings adjustments. How many cameras have you connected to Reolink so far? Let us know in the comments below. Place your camera close to your router during setup to ensure a strong signal and avoid connection errors. And that's how you can add a new camera in Reolink app. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.